Hey guys, it's like 5 in the morning, and I don't know if you guys can see, something happened in this parking lot, and the helicopter is landing in this parking lot. I don't know what happened. There's a whole bunch of, I don't want to turn the light on because I don't want to draw attention to myself, but crazy. This friggin' helicopter, it's in the back over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it just landed in the parking lot. That's pretty nuts. It's like I guess it's a life flight helicopter, but there's a hospital right over here. Good morning, guys. Man, that was some scene this morning. I didn't want to video obviously too close because they did end up, I think what happened is the ambulance, I don't know if they were taking him to somewhere and they didn't think he was going to make it in time. I mean, we're in a city, like there's hospitals all over here, so I don't know. But
maybe he was just dropping drastically.
Maybe, but the whole bunch of ambulances met over here in this abandoned parking lot, and the helicopter landed right here. They quickly like rushed him into the helicopter, and that thing took off.
Helicopter?
Helicopter? What did I say?
The helicopter?
The helicopter, yeah. But I was like standing, I was pretty close, I don't know, I was pretty close. You know, I was walking Cody over here.
I got a video of it on Instagram.
Yeah, and
that'll be posted tomorrow.
Man, that thing took off and everything got in my eyes. I couldn't see anything. But it was crazy. Anyway, today I'm off for the next 2 days. I have no jobs, guys, which is an awesome feeling. So, today I'm gonna get that exhaust on, hopefully, and try to do the fender delete. There's a couple little wiring things you gotta do to relocate some stuff, but it shouldn't be too bad. And I'd like to get to the Honda dealership today to look at a helmet, Sam. Please. And yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but we'll see. Yeah, we'll just relax today, but I want to start off with the bike, get that all situated. That way I can put the stock exhaust
I just
back.
woke up, but I'm ready for a nap.
Yeah. You excited to start the day? Okay. Alright, let me get situated, we'll go where we're going, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. The sun is in my eye. Alright, so I'm working on the Grom here. Finally got tools. Sam, I know, you're so excited. I know. So, we just got here at the park, and I unloaded the bike and everything, and I got this cheapo tool ratchet set from Harbor Freight, like the cheapest one, $5 for a whole set. And as soon as I tried to get the bolt off, the ratchet little conversion piece snapped right off, so that sucked. So
legit, like as soon as he got onto the bike, like to start it.
So I had to muster up the cojones, and I rode on the street for the first time today, like officially, which I wasn't too thrilled about because I didn't have a helmet. I'm gonna get one today, but
we had the solar panel. Like this is the reason why we got the bike, because we got the solar panels. We literally just got here. Yeah, so I rode all the way to Harbor Freight. It's about 15 minutes each way. This road right here isn't too bad, but going on the road where Harbor Freight is it's like a 4-lane almost highway. It's a little nerve-wracking, but I did a good job. Make sure this exhaust doesn't drop out when I pull this bolt. I mean, even if it does, it's probably, oh, there it goes. It's probably gonna go in the garbage anyway. So here's the old one.
That is one big, heavy clunker.
Let me go get the other one, the new one. This is the new one. Look how nice that is.
It's carbon fiber. And then this is the old exhaust. And then this is the whole, I don't know why they do that. And then here's the new exhaust pipe.
We got all this stuff off Amazon, right?
Yeah, the good thing about the Grom parts is everything is like super cheap. I mean, you could spend a ton of money if you want, but you can get really good stuff for really cheap. This exhaust was $85, I think. Alright guys, what do you think? It has a little bit more of a sound now. I'm gonna come over and get a little closer. It almost sounds like a dirt bike. I like it though. Oh, that's nasty. And this is with the baffle in. You could actually take the baffle out and it'll be even louder. Alright guys, now that we got our nice carbon fiber exhaust on there and everything, I took off this big giant whale tail. That thing is so ugly. And we put on this nice slim, this is called a Fender Delete, or a tail tighty, whatever you want to call it. And my license plate is just going to sit flush right on there. It'll look so much better. I'm utilizing Sam's tiny little fingers.
I have really small fingers.
Yeah. And I had to just get some nuts on there.
And we taped this up because there's an opening right here. So if I drop that bolt in there, we'll never get it out.
Right, there's this tube that runs all here. And right here where you take the bolts out and put the new bolts in, it's all open for some reason. So if you lose it in here, it's going to be a whole process. I'd have to literally like flip the bike up to get it out. So. Oh boy, Sam's got her popping air thingies. It's going to drive me nuts those all day now. Alright, now I just got to reinstall the Florida state of law requires you have a tail light, I guess it's called. So,
license plate light. License plate light,
yeah. So I'm just going to, I had to disconnect that wiring harness. Now I'm going to run it back through here, hook that up, and plug it back in, and then we should be good to go, guys. Alright, guys. Finally got it on. I still have to tighten things up, so it might look a little crooked. It took me a little longer than I care to admit, but it looks so much better. You know, this thing used to be there sticking out. I mean, it looked horrible. I don't know why Honda even does that. I don't know why they don't just put a license plate thing like that. And then the exhaust, everything sounds good. It looks so much better. Now I feel like people can actually hear me when I'm on the road. You know, because I'm a small bike. I want to make sure people can hear me, see me. Alright, good deal. Let me, Sam made lunch, so we're going to chow down here. And then I'll catch back up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, just organizing the van a little bit. Sam did some organizing. I took a buzz on the bike with the exhaust. Oh my god, it sounds so much better. And I'm so excited. I gotta get I want to get a mount. So that way I can like mount you guys to like the bars or something. That way I can take you guys for a ride eventually. But man, I buzzed all down here, went all the way down. If you keep going all the way down, there's like a marina and everything. And I went around over there and then I turned around, came back. But it sounds really good, and like people actually look at you now, they hear you, they see you. So plus I don't know if it's a figment of my imagination or not, but I feel like I get smoother shifts with the exhaust because I can kind of hear a little better, you know, like where the engine's RPMs are and stuff. So I tend to find the shift points a little easier now, and I'm ripping through those gears, man. I'm a pro. I've been riding motorcycles for like how long now, Sam? About 2 weeks. So you know, I'm a certified motorcyclist.
Certified everything.
Yeah, I'm a certified moron.
Certified toke out of ass.
Anyway, Sam's gonna do her hair. She's washing her hair over here in the jug. We left the jug out for a really long time. It's nice and warm now.
I do my hair and my body different days.
Yeah.
And this thing's been leaking. So.
Update on the fridge, guys. The compressor is. It's a little louder than the other one, because I think it's like 2 compressors, but it's something I guess you just kind of get used to after a while, but it keeps everything really cold, so we really like it so far. So far, so good. Right, Sam? Anything else to say?
No, I'd like to wash my hair now.
All right. I'm gonna hold the door for Sam while she washes her hair.
Why? I got that now.
Oh, that holds it there? Oh, all right. I'm not needed anymore.
Oh, goodbye.
I'm single now. If anybody is interested, let me know. Alright guys, I have to tell you something. I gotta come clean.
Oh boy, what'd you do?
It's what you and me did.
What did we do?
We ordered.
Well, I got a few for Valentine's Day. An early Valentine's Day gift.
We ordered. You guys ready? You all ready? We ordered another Jackery, guys. I know. I can't believe it either. We actually ordered the 160. It's on sale, right? I don't know if it's still on sale today, but it was on sale for $129, and then a $10 coupon on top of that. So I think we paid like $129 out the door or something like that. And the reason we got that is because we're kind of more or less we pretty much designated the Jackery 1000 that we have to run the fridge and maybe like, you know, heavier appliances if I need something ran heavy. But the 160 is super small.
Wait till you see the size of this thing.
Oh, it's like a quarter the size of the Jackery 1000. And I'm trying to find the right lighting here for you guys. Sorry. And what we're going to use it for, like, there's so many instances where I want to bring it to like the picnic table, or we're at a campsite or something, just to plug a phone in, or the tablet, or whatever.
Or a computer while we're uploading.
Right. And to do that, I'd have to either bring the fridge out and or do work inside, you know, to bring the Jackery out to keep the fridge running and everything. So instead of doing all that, I bought the one. Well, Sam bought it for me, the 160 for our for Valentine's Day, and it's supposed to be here in it's 2 days, guys. They're shipping it straight from Amazon's factory. So this is not coming from California, where the Jackery 1000 came from. So this has prime 2-day shipping. They shipped it out early this morning, and it should be here by tomorrow. Unfortunately, the postal service, where I get all my packages to my PO box, they take a day to process anything that's not USPS. So I think this is shipping from Amazon themselves. So today is Thursday. Today's Thursday. It'll be here Friday, tomorrow, and it'll be ready for pickup on Saturday, and that's when I will show it to you guys. But I'm super excited about that little thing. I looked up tons of reviews. It's really cool. Has a 100-watt inverter on the side and a 150-watt peak, but I'm mainly getting it just to plug in my laptop and, like I said, smaller devices, cell phones, tablets. So I don't need that thing to be powerful or anything. If I really need a lot of power, I'll plug it into the Jackery 1000. And it charges the same way. We could plug it right into the solar panels, or we can charge it through the DC outlet. So if the 1000 is already full.
And we had 3 DC outlets. No, 4.
4?
3 in the back and 1 in the middle.
Oh, yeah, I got 3 DC outlets in the front and 1 in the back. So I got plenty of power to charge up my Jackeries if I need to. So I just thought I'd let you guys know about that. Super excited. Alright. We're going to pack up here pretty soon. I want to go to the Honda dealership before they close. I want to see if I can get myself a helmet, and Sam a helmet. That way we could be safe on the road. So let me get everything together here, guys, and then we'll mosey on over.
Alright guys, I thought I'd show you our new setup. Well, for now, we'll see if we change it. I follow a van page, and a lot of people say that they always change the like their decor inside. So we just moved. The AC was right there behind the driver's seat, but I decided to put the cooler over there. That way it's flush against the wall, and then obviously the AC there. We're gonna put the Jackery up next to the Keurig when we're not driving. The Keurig is actually Velcroed to the wood that's right there, and so is our power cord. I was gonna put the toilet right there. I don't know if I'm going to. I might put the toilet and then the water in front of it. But for now, if we ever need to use it while we're on the road, it's just easy to grab. Do you like it, Cody? But we're gonna go stop at the bank, a whole bunch of other crap we gotta do. So we'll see you guys when we're on the road. Say bye, Cody. Kisses.
Alright guys, we are back in the van. Holy crap, this GoPro light is not a joke. It is super bright. What do you think?
Yeah, alright.
Guys, I got our Jackery over here. I got this little fan running, which is keeping me nice and cool, and I got a whole bunch of other stuff running along with the cooler. I'm about to edit a video. Oh my god, look at that screen, it's filthy. I'm a little backtracked on videos. I got like 2 videos behind me that I have to edit, so I gotta get on that. But today was a super eventful day, guys. We put the exhaust on the Grom, the Fender delete kit. It looks much cleaner. Samantha got a helmet. You want to show them? Yeah. Let me grab Sam's helmet. Oh, hold on, I want to show you guys. All right, guys. So I don't know what happened last night. That clip, I don't know, it disappeared on me. I wanted to show you guys Sam's helmet. So we're gonna do that today. That way I could add it into this video and get on with the next one. So
we got this at the Honda Kawasaki dealer in Cocoa, Florida. They didn't have a lot, and a lot of them were full face, but I don't like full face helmets.
Guys, I tried on a full face helmet and freaked me out, man. I tried on every size from a large to an extra large, and I feel like I had to jam the helmet on my head, and I knew Sam wouldn't like that. So and then even when you get in there, you lose your peripheral vision and your hearing. I didn't like it, so I'm just gonna go with a half helmet. There. So this is Sam's helmet. Look at that. Look at the roses and the, I don't know what all that is, vines. It's really nice.
Pull out a little bit.
Ooh. You see the front? Very nice.
I have the same design on the other side. This is a medium. He said if you want to wear your hair up in a high bun like how I do it, I would need a large, but I'll just take my hair out or do a low bun. And it comes with tinted visor, which is really cool, so I don't have to worry about bugs going in my eye. And then it also comes with a clear one, so I can swap them out if I want. Ooh.
Oh yeah.
I paid $84.95 for this one.
Yeah. It's a really nice helmet. It's really solid. And of course it's DOT approved and everything, so it should be nice and safe and good to go.
Now the only thing I need is like a jacket or something to wear.
Yeah. What kind of jacket are you gonna get?
I don't know. If I get leather, I'm gonna pass out.
Alright. Well guys, that's about it for this video. I just wanted to wrap it up, show you Sam's helmet because it's really nice and she's pretty happy about it. But I hope you guys are all doing great, and we'll see you guys in the next one.